Today is Sunday. Last night we dropped into the negatives for the first time and into single digits for the day. Get chickens some water. It's still pretty cold out. And it's like 12 right now. Really, Boxer? Why did you come in here? What was that for? What are you doing? Hey. Why are you picking on everybody? What do you mean? Oh, this door doesn't want to open. There we go. What are you doing, Baxter? Got an egg. Would you like to come out, Baxter? Yesterday I found 2 eggs, so I wonder if I'll find another one later or not. What do you think you're doing? Where you headed? I thought this was a feather for a second. Is it a... Oh, that looks like it was a flying squirrel. Somebody ate it. I should probably get some salt down on these steps today. Weird cat. Oh, that completely froze. So tonight into tomorrow, we're supposed to get around 10 inches of snow. Have to check and see what's changed about that today, see if they're predicting more or less. And we're gonna continue dropping down into like singles and negatives later on, a couple days from now. It's warmed up today, probably because that snow system is gonna be coming through here later on. So that'll be fun. As long as it's not 3 feet of snow like we got last year. Carrying a bucket of ice is not fun. Well, that heat's still going, so that means that nobody's water froze. I'm mainly just worried about these tubes freezing. Have you guys been behaving? One's this one though. These males, for some reason, were fighting a lot recently. So some got injured. And that was one of them. They're going to be processed soon. They seem to have calmed down a little bit. What are you doing? Are you doing okay? Are you just sleepy or are you injured? I guess it was just tired.
Because I know how much the labels cost.
Mm-hmm.
What, 10 cents?
Snow is sliding off of here. It's not really sticking on that. And you probably can't see it over here, but the kennels had the mesh tarps on them still. So I went over and I cut the zip ties to that and got them all taken down because the snow was already sitting on top of it and I don't want them to break because they're still useful for the summer or when it's starting to get warmer. Hello. Why is your butt right there? And all this time was, they don't sit under the brooder. They sit right behind it. So they're still getting warm, but they don't really sit under it properly. Would you guys like to sleep under the brooder? There, I got that moved. So now they will hopefully go under it. And the tiniest little one, she's up there on the roost with all the big girls. Get that closed up so I'm not letting all the heat out. It shouldn't be too bad tonight as far as the temperature goes. It's been about an hour since I was last in the car, and we already got like several inches on here. Just went through and did one shoveling so I can try and keep up with this a little bit. Somebody went over into the barn. I got to move these buckets that aren't full because I didn't get to the quail trays to scoop their poop out today. And I was going to do it tonight, but it was already snowing, so I'm just going to bring a tray in there and get it done inside. Or I should say, bring a bucket, not a tray. It's even hard for me to even see it by the barn. I'm gonna take these, put them up inside the barn so that I don't lose them, because I don't know how much snow we're gonna get. So I didn't check earlier, but I found 2 eggs. Looks like a duck and a goose laid an egg again. Get them closed up. I got the bowls in here. I figured out that there's like a string, but I didn't have a place to like hook it. So I put a screw in there last night. So now that can only blow up in a little crack. So now snow won't get in there. I got this one cleared off. Cleared that off. Try to do a tiny path through here. I'm not going to worry too much right now because we do have a snowblower. Looks like my tracks are already getting filled in with snow. I saw a black cat run out of this barn the other day. And about a week ago, I saw one over by the dumpster. So I wonder if it was the same cat or not. Also that same day when I got back home, there was a black and white kitty sitting on the stoop over at the house. I have no way to know if they're the neighbors' barn cats, because we've had them come over here because we have food, or if it's just a random stray that finally showed up because it's getting cold. It's hard to tell. Did you grab a flashlight?
What?
Did you grab a flashlight? How much snow do you think we got so far?
3 or 4 inches.
There's 7 more to go. What? What? Why don't you go lay in your bed? I'm gonna switch the miner off so we can turn on the space heater for the quail.
I'll hold this.
You think you're gonna have to work tomorrow? What are you doing out here, Boxer? It's getting colder out.
How not to pull your car off.
What?
How not to do your car.
Ready?
That's hard.
My fingers are freezing cold. Down in the corner. Or along the... I would think they all sleep in the box, but I guess not. Look how much feed they wasted. Well, it was already getting snowed on underneath the porch anyway. Let's turn it on. Where are you going, Boxer?
Look at it.
What, how much it snowed after you just shoveled it? Oh, river.
I'll dump the snow off that.
I was hoping that would not let it pile on like that. You wanna go potty? Are you scared, River?